The Akebi is a delicate plant that is also called the chocolate vine, and its purple fruits are pretty special. The Akebi is a semi-evergreen twining vine with pretty palmate leaves with 5 long-stalked leaflets. It was discovered growing wildly in the forests along mountainsides in northern Japan, and commercial cultivation only started a few decades ago. The Akebi earned the nickname of chocolate vine because of the flower's candy-like scent when in bloom. Akebias flower in mid-spring and bear fruits from September to October. The ripening of Akebi fruits is traditionally a sign that autumn has arrived in northern Japan. Purple Akebi fruits are cylindrical, averaging 10 to 13 centimeters in length. They hang delicately from the vines. There are multiple varieties of Akebi fruit, varying in size and appearance. Generally, the skin is thick and purple or purple-gray. Underneath the skin, there is a translucent gelatinous center that has many small and edible black-brown seeds suspended throughout the flesh. Purple Akebi has a soft and crunchy consistency with a mild, sweet and subtly bitter flavor depending on the variety. Akebi is best suited for both raw and cooked applications such as frying or grilling. The flesh can be slurped directly from the purple pod. When consumed, the flesh melts into a semi-sweet liquid while the seeds add a mildly bitter taste. The fruit is rich in vitamin C, folic acid and potassium. In traditional northern Japanese medicine, the seeds were often pressed to create oils and herbal medicines that contained antiseptic and cold preventative properties. In addition to consuming the fruit, Akebi leaves are also made into a tea infusion. Beside food consumption, Akebi vines are used for traditional basket weaving crafts. Although cultivated Akebi is getting increasingly popular, it is still a specialty that is rarely found outside of northern Japan.